Kanitha mugima wa JCM na fraternity ngima ya JCM nirikitie gukorwo iguthetwo ni igutha inene muno. Uyu ni thutha wa ndeto ciarikia gukorwo irekereirio guku nenda-ini cio kinyaniria na itanakorwo gikwira maundu maria marikia gukorwo menyenyetie kanitha ucio. Reke nyambe ngurie muno na gitio we mwiro-ini muthikiria witu witikire gukorwo ugisubscribe channel ino itu, ucomment na gushare, no na ningi witikire gukorwo ukihutaka notification bell nigetha hindi ciothe twekira ndeto guku nenda-ini ugakoragwo wa mbere gukorwo ugiciamukira. Kiumia kigima ndeto ni ikoretwo igitamba ta mwaki wa nyaki ati utongoria wa bururi ugakorwo kanitha-ini wa JCM kiumia giki, no indi ndeto icio citirakirinjikire mukonde ni bishop wa kanitha ucio. No riu muthenya wa ira maundu ni maroire mwerekera mweru. Uyu ni thutha wa Bishop Ben gukorwo athite kuria nenda-ini icio kinyaniria na ararekereria official statement akiuga niguo ati utongoria wa bururi haswa President William Ruto ni agakorwo acereire kanitha ucio already urakungwira anniversary ya 3 years kana gikungwira 3 years kuma hindi iria wambiriirio. Bishop Ben arathire na arakorwo akirekereria post eno iria ironekana gukorwo ikiuga ati karibu rais JCM International 3rd anniversary 22nd Feb 2026 na rekera kabica ka mutongoria wa bururi hau. Thutha wa mbica ino gukorwo irekereirio no arathire na arandika caption, karibu kanisa la watu wote, rais wa tano wa Jamhuri ya Kenya His Excellency Honorable William Samoei Ruto, welcome to the home of compassion. Thutha wa ndumiriri iyo gukorwo irekereirio andu ni marakiri na mihwa mwanya angi makioneka makiri sawa na ndeto iyo, no indi aingi maronekanite gukorwo marakaritio ni giko kiu kia Bishop Ben, kuona Bishop Ben nieririe Gen Z ati gutiri hindi agakorwo akinyitanira na politicians nigetha o makorwo makimnyamario. Swings Mauno arokire na ruga, wacha akuje apeane pesa, si unajua kwa kila biashara kuna kuanga na sponsors, lakini washirika msiniangushe, mkumbuke tam ni jamo. Na ararikia na gwikira emoji icio cia kugwa thina mitheko. Uyu arekira ndeto yo mukonde na arera Swings Mauno walai. Uyu arauga tell him welcome to my business, tunajua wewe uko kazi and the full think ... akira Bishop Ben atiwe akiri wira. Murumiriri uyu ginake ni aririkanite Bishop Ben uhoro wa Boniface Kariuki, mwanake uria wathomaga kanitha wa JCM no indi etauni akendia mask akiguthwo na rithathi, augite celebrating massacre. Akira Bishop Ben ona ndangiririkana mahunjio maria ahunjirie hindi ya guthika Boniface na maithori maria mothe akiririre. Ndeto ino yonekanite gukorwo yoete mwerekera mweru rucini rwa umuthi. Uyu ni thutha wa lead pastor kuria bururi-ini wa USA, thutha wa kuona maundu maria makoretwo makiandikwo guku nenda-ini icio kinyaniria na uria andu marauga atuite matua ma gukorwo akiresign, haria athi na mbere na akorwo akirekereria official statement akiuga we ni akorwo agitiga wira ucio wa gukorwo akihunjia kuria bururi-ini wa USA. Eka tukorwo tugithoma na inywe official statement iria muhunjia uyu arikia gukorwo arekereirie akiuga we nde gukorwo akinyitanira na Bishop Ben. Pastor Charles Wachira augite gitumi giake gia gukorwo akiresign ni undu we ndangitikira kuona kanitha ikinyitanira na thirikari hindi iria mukenya wa kawaida kana the youth kana Gen Z maraiguithio ruo. Augite we egukorwo akirugama eta mundu kiumbe na atue matua make na auga ni egukorwo agifuatirithiria maundu mangi. After the statement ino iria arekereria iguthomaga uu, augite official statement, Pastor Charles Wachira resigned from JCM United States, citing serious concern regarding leadership principles and recent public engagement that have deeply disturbed many believers, especially Gen Z, who are crying out for justice, accountability, and more clarity during this sensitive national season in Kenya. Augite the church must never appear indifferent to the pain of the people. Woe to those who call evil good and good evil. Isaiah 5:20. Speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves. Ensure justice to those being crushed. Pastor Charles Wachira arikite na gukorwo akiuga Pastor Charles Wachira believes spiritual leadership must stand firmly on truth, righteousness, and the defense of innocent life. When leadership actions create confusion, division, or moral discomfort among believers, it becomes necessary to take a principled stand. This step reflects conviction, not rebellion, conscience, not compromise. Iyo ndumiriri Pastor Charles Wachira arikia gukorwo arekereirie, nake MC Chris onake nioneka gukorwo agikashifu Bishop Ben agitariria okuma hindi ya karuma ati nimerirwo mbeca no indio makirega. noguo niguo undu ucio utathire na mbere. Augite Saturday night before we flocked at JCM, I met Guka wa Nairobi Muthee Kiengei, Swings Mauno, MC Extian, Priscilla Waimani and others. Kindiki called and offered 5 million to attend JCM service for Kaluma Boy Thanksgiving ati akuja na watu wake. I said no, and we don't need politicians who can't attract the interest of Kenyan and fellow massacred Gen Z. Sahi ningekuwa naishi Kilimani. My fellow members said no, and Bishop had no option but to accept. He promised to stand with us and never accept any regime or politicians aria maroraga yuthi. Kesho, regime iyo iroraga yuthi is being hosted by one pretender protector of Gen Z. This has nothing to do with the church or calling. MC Chris ataririe ati hindi ya Kaluma Boy ni merirwo milioni 5 nigetha utongoria wa bururi ukorwo ugicera kou, no indi makiruga macani na makiuga matikwenda maundu macio, na Bishop ndakire na option tiga gukorwo agitikirania nao. No indi ni tuonire hindi ya guthi gucerera Mama Gift, Bishop ni akorirwo akiyeherania na the TikTokers, no gutikimenyekire gitumi no riu maundu na maragathi na mbere na gukorwo maubukite.
Hii ni destiny imelalishwa hapa because someone just became careless, or someone gave careless orders. Haifai. Bunduki si ya kutuua, ni ya kutulinda. Imenunuliwa na ushuru wetu, inilinde sio iniue. Boniface tuliona video, hakuwa hata na toothpick ya kudunga mtu. He was unarmed, hakuwa na silaha yoyote. Kwa hivyo, kwa sababu najua tuko na media nyingi hapa na bloggers, Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, hii haifai katika nchi iliyokuaminia mioyo yao. Hii haifai. Na kwa sababu wewe ni kielelezo kizuri cha kushikanisha watu. You are a symbol of unity. Please call on your people and guide them about how to work. Wakati mfanyikazi amekosea, si mtu huita wafanyikazi wake, anawaketisha chini, anawafunza jinsi ya kufanya kazi. Rais, ita wafanyikazi wako, waonyeshe ya kwamba Mkenya sio adui, hapa ni nchi yao. Na sio vigumu. Wale vijana wanaonekana pale barabarani, kuna wale wako na a genuine cry for their nation. Give them an ear and listen to them. It is just that simple. Listen to them. Wale wanaharibu mali, wale wanaiba, wachukuliwe hatua, kwa sababu katika nchi ya Kenya tunaambiangwa mkono wa serikali ni mrefu. Na hiyo ndio kilio cha askofu, kwa sababu huyu ni mshirika ameenda. Si hata mimi nimeenda hasara, sababu moyo nilikuwa nalinda, si umeenda. Sasa hii imenirudisha barabara, nifanye evangelism, kiti yake ipate mtu mwingine. Kwa hivyo polisi wetu, acheni kuua wananchi, wapatieni nafasi ya kuishi